Hi guys, in this video we're talking about how to delete posts. That's finding and managing posts and then deleting them on Facebook. The first thing you want to do is log into Facebook. Once you're logged in, you can click on this button here which says manage posts. We're going to click there. And then you can actually see some of your posts. And if you want to delete your posts, you can select them all and then delete them. I'm not going to do that. But if you want to delete specific posts, then all you need to do is click in the top hand right corner of that post. A little hand will appear. You click and then it will highlight in blue. And you can look at other posts if you want to get rid of any other posts. This is me surfing. Check that out. I'm learning to surf in my spare time. That was the third time I did surfing. Anyway, if you want to hide or delete, then you select the ones you want and you can click next. And then you can either hide the posts or you can delete. If you've been tagged in those posts, you can also select remove tags. So I'm just going to click at the moment, hide this post. And I'm going to click done. And then nobody else will be able to see that post anymore. Okay, that's been done. And again, to go back, you can just click manage posts and then you can see. You can also click filters if you want to filter a bit more, and you can go to the year. So I joined, I believe in, it's not letting me go back any further. Oh, here we go. Sorry, there's a bit of a lag on my computer. I joined about, I think it was 2007. It was 2007. So if I do that and posted by me, there's going to be some embarrassing posts here, right? This is when I used to live in Portugal. And I used to talk about breakdancing. I used to breakdance as well. Some random post about me having a shit job. So you might want to delete some old posts. It's interesting. I didn't work in good work in 2007. Now I work for Facebook. I work for Meta. And you can actually update your status. I've got a video on how to update your profile to where you work and whatnot. Anyway, that is how to manage posts and to delete them, and also to search for them. It is super easy. Once again, just click there. You can find the most recent posts, but you can also click filters. You can do it by whether you've posted or other people. Sorry about my laptop being a little bit slow. You can also do the year. You can also look at the privacy settings where it's only you or your friends, and posts that you've been tagged in. That's if you want to see, maybe you've been tagged in a post you don't like from a social gathering or an event. You can hide those posts as well. Hope that has been helpful, guys. Remember, I work here. I'm not I don't know everything about Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, but I do work at the company and I do enjoy helping people with this. Check out my other videos, like and subscribe, share with your family, maybe your parents, your aunt, your aunties, people that need a bit of help with their technology skills. And I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Take care. Cheers.